to you just by your embrace. I'm eager to see your face in your secret place. Is the sweetest taste. I don't want nothing more, just your Shekinah to pour. I'll close my eyes, open the door, so I can be here forevermore. Love you.
Hi guys, my name is Lyric, Jamaican makeup artist, and yes, I already got married. I know. But this is the dress I wore on my wedding day, and I'm actually wearing the shoes as well. This dress, let me tell you. First of all, I brought on our wedding day. We want to feel like, you see me, I the only thing we have. Nobody else not have that dress here. You know what I mean? And this dress was actually custom made, custom designed here in Jamaica by Clay. Clay is I'll say world renowned, but you don't know about her yet. But Clay is a very talented, I want to say like an organization. They're a husband and wife team. So they made my dress for me. They designed it for me and they made it for me, and I'm wearing it today just to show you the quality that I can get with Clay. So they're husband and wife team, right? They specialize in cocktail dresses, formal events, proms, weddings, stuff like that, cocktail parties, having a cocktail party and stuff. Everything is custom designed, custom made, and yes, it's done here in Jamaica. When I wore my wedding dress, kill people dead at David Brothers, me have I must know you. It's Clay. Them shouldn't get it twisted, it's Clay. So I want to show you guys to come by and show you guys how the quality that I get with Clay. This, everything here, oh, he's started doing there, no pun intended. But this is completely handmade. All these beads were put on by hand. Yes, look at how impeccable it is. You can't tell nobody that this was custom made. But on that special day, a bride or whoever you are at your cocktail event or at your graduation or at your ball or wherever you're going, you want to know that what you're wearing is a one-of-a-kind piece. And Clay can offer you that. Clay can ensure that whatever you wear, you're the only one in that outfit. Clay can ensure that your character, your personality, how you feel, the energy that you exude is expressed in the apparel that you wear. So their social networks are Clay on Facebook, Clay Fashioned on Twitter, and also you can contact them at clayfashioned@yahoo.com. Clay official page on Facebook, and also they're on Twitter at Clay Fashioned, as in FASHIONED. So yeah guys, that's just it. I basically want to tell you guys about my dress that I wore on my wedding day, and also who made it. And as I said, they make dresses for your elegant events. They also have a ready to wear line as well, where you can get your custom made dresses for different events or stuff like that. The ready to wear line is actually going to be available in stores, so look out for that. I remember saying I'm eating the first year. Lyric.
Just more Shekinah to pour. I'll close my eyes, open the door. I wanna be here forever. More of you is what I want. No time off, I got my want. What you have, I got my want. You're all I want. I want you more. I want you more. I want you, Jesus.
The boy style, wicked and wild in a guitar style. Try no seminar, trick or bribe, no strings attached like when a guitar spoil. Girl, you are my girl. You just don't know yet. Just wait till you get to know me. It's out of the let's go lyric.
The bass, the cello, the violin, mellow strings. With every note you play, my heart wants to stay with you all night. When you play strings, no wanna be with you all